Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a beet juice, but before I jump into the ingredients, I would like to bless you with a scripture. It is taken from John 3 verse 30. He must become greater, I must become less. Allow Christ to be greater in your life. So this juice can actually improve your blood flow and lower your blood pressure. Okay, so these are the ingredients. We have some ginger, we have lime, we have carrots and beets. We also have some cucumbers. If you have lemon, you can also use lemon. Okay, normally if we're in Jamaica, we would actually mix our beetroot with condensed milk, but I will not be doing so. Alright guys, see you in my next video.